In this class we will discuss about number system. In this number system classified into 4 types: binary number system, octal number system, third one decimal number system, finally fourth one hexadecimal number system. In this number system is used to define as the magnitude of quantities. That means, for example, we take 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 different quantities. So it has 4 values: 1, 2, 3, 4. In this number system we have base or radix. What is base? Base represent the number system that particular. Base contains formula. Here the formula is 0 to r minus 1. Here r indicates the value. How many values comes from number system? In first one, binary number system. Binary number system, the maximum value is 2. The value represent binary number system. Is used to system of equal as 0 as equal as 2, where r equal to 2, number of digits used is 0 to r minus 1, 0 to 2 minus 1, 0 to 1. That means 0, 1. Here maximum value is 2. Second one, octal number system. The value represent octal number system is used to system of equal as 8. Here r equal to 8. Number of digits used is 0 to r minus 1, 0 to 8 minus 1, that means 0 to 7. Finally we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the maximum number of value is 8. Third one, decimal number system. Decimal number system, the maximum number of values are 10. The value represent decimal number system is used to system of equal as 10. Number of system used as used is 0 to r minus 1, 0 to 10 minus 1, 0 to 9. Finally we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 9. The maximum number value number of values is 10. Finally fourth one, hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the maximum number of values are 16. The value represent hexadecimal number system is used to system of equal as 16. Number of system used is 0 to r minus 1. Here r equal to 16. 0 to 16 minus 1, 0 to 15. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 15. The maximum number of value is 16. In hexadecimal, ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trans to A, B, C, D, E, F. In binary digits only exists 0 to 9. Here hexadecimal consists 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Therefore, the binary hexadecimal numbers decoded to A, B, C, D, E, F. This is hexadecimal. For example, here we take 215. Here 15 consists F. Therefore, this is the example of hexadecimal. Thank you.